In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PC waking up from sleep, Windows 11 and 10. So for the first step, go to your search bar and type CMD, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Once it opens, type the following command, power CFG space dash device query space wake underscore armed. Then press enter. So this will show you a list of all the devices that are currently allowed to wake your computer. Now take note of those devices. After that, go back to the search bar and type device manager. Tap on open. So from the list we got earlier, for example, I can see HID compliant mouse. So in the device manager, I look for mouse or mice and then double tap on it. And in here I can see HID compliant mouse. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click on properties and go to power management and then check allow this device to wake the computer and tap on OK to save it. So again, make sure to repeat this for every device listed earlier. And that's pretty much it. After doing this, your computer should no longer wake up randomly on its own. If it's still happening, double check the list again. Sometimes new devices can show up, especially after updates. You can also restart your computer to make sure all the changes are applied properly. So to restart, go to the start button and tap on the power button and tap on restart down here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.